It's a windy day on Lake Charlevoix in northern Michigan. We're at the east end of the lake, and yeah, Lake Michigan is right down that way, about 12 miles. So we're spent 30-mile-an-hour winds today, between 30 and 50, I should say. And yeah, something shady happened here. Oh well, good luck, dude.